Hey, this is Brad with AWM Water Features. We're out in Hudsonville, Michigan. Just finished up a really awesome project. We have a pondless waterfall here, about 15 feet. We also installed a rainwater harvesting system here. Pretty much eliminates the need for any addition of water. We got some terrestrial and aquatic plants in here. 4 or 5 spillways, the pondless waterfall basin down here, rainwater harvesting over here that comes down through here into our basin with a overflow that comes out here into the yard. And we couldn't be any more excited about this project. The customer loves it. They're super excited too. Actually an anniversary present to each other, and they are pretty happy with the end product, and I gotta say I'm pretty excited about it too. Thank you so much for following us. This is Brad with AWM Water.